Arabic nouns have endings to show their functions in a sentence. Just like us, when we go to office, bank or factory for work, we have work clothes or uniforms. When we go for formal functions like weddings, walimas or reception, we dress accordingly. When we are at home, we wear different clothes, and when we retire for the night to sleep, we put on sleeping dress. In short, we dress according to what the occasion or function demands. Similarly, the nouns have different endings to show the function in the sentence. It can be a subject, or it can be an object of a verb, or it can be a possessor of a thing, or come after a preposition or an adverb. Subject, nominative case, or marfu' ending. Subject, nominative case, or marfu' ending. Marfu' and object of a verb, accusative case, or mansub ending. Mansub and possessor of thing, or come after a preposition or an adverb, genitive case, or majrur ending. Majrur. There are three endings of noun. The vowel sign on the last letter of the noun. Dhamma. For example, al-kitabu dhamma. Kitabun dhamma. Muhammadun. Al-babu babun. And fatha. Fatha. Al-kitabah fatha. Kitaban fatha. Muhammadan fatha. Al-baba fatha. Baban. And kasrah. Al-kitabi kasrah. Kitabin kasrah. Muhammadin kasrah. Al-babi babin. الكتاب مرفوع. كتاب مرفوع. محمد مرفوع. الكتابة منصوب. كتابا منصوب. محمدا منصوب. الكتاب مجرور. كتاب مجرور. محمد مجرور. When the last letter of the noun has a dhamma, it is said to be marfu'. It indicates nominative case. ذهب محمد. ذهب محمد. مرفوع. The last letter of a noun has dhamma. ذهب محمد إلى السوق. حامد طالب مجتهد. مرفوع. The last letter of the noun has a dhamma. طالب مجتهد. آمنة بنت جميلة مرفوع. When the last letter of the noun has a fatha, it is said to be mansub. It indicates accusative case. رأيت محمدا في السوق. كم دولارا عندك. منصوب. رأيت محمدا منصوب. When the last letter of the noun has a fatha. أشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. محمدا منصوب. When the last letter of the noun has a kasrah, it's said to be majrur. It indicates genitive case. هذا كتاب محمد مجرور. When the last letter of the noun has a kasrah. محمد. الساعة على السرير. أي يوم مجرور. أي شهر مجرور. Please memorize the above Arabic terms and watch carefully the ending vowel signs on nouns to know its function in the sentence.